My name's Alfie, and I mean, I don't have a profession currently. I quit my job to do this full time.
Amazing. What were you doing?
I was a food runner at a luxury hotel, so very much in hospitality environment.
Cool. And what made you quit your job?
Uh, I just got sick and tired of working for someone else. My three favorite managers left, and others came in. Didn't really have great relationships, so I ended up leaving.
Amazing. And why property?
Uh, well, I mean, it's nothing really to do with property in particular. It's just when you're young and you look into entrepreneurial opportunities, you're looking at crypto stocks, opening up your own business. Property just made the most sense to me.
Okay. And in terms of the last week, how have you found the course? Have you learned a lot?
Yeah, I learned quite a bit actually. It's been quite good. Definitely spoken to a lot of people. I'm not really a social person anyway, so a bit out of my comfort zone, but that's what I'm here for.
Nice. Do you think there's been a lot of value for you here?
Yeah, definitely. Well, I mean, I think there was a lot of value in yesterday's in particular. I believe it was the deal finding extravaganza. It's the one where we had to book viewings, call estate agents, because that's the thing that I'm struggling with the most. So, yeah, it was definitely eye opening.
What's the biggest takeaway for you over the last week? What have you learned the most?
Uh, Probably just how to network and how to connect with people more. Because I mean, like I said, I'm not a very social person, so usually I wouldn't be able to go out and speak to people, but here it's been pretty easy.
Amazing. And in terms of Samuel's energy, in terms of the energy of the team, how has that been for you?
Yeah, it's been great. The energy's been pretty high, especially Samuel, and I like his brother Russell Leeds quite a lot. He's more of a numbers guy, and that's more my realm.
Excellent. And the final question is: anyone looking to get into property, would you recommend this kind of event?
Oh yeah, I would definitely.
Yeah, if I can try and get that as a kind of question and the answer.
Okay, well, I would join the event because it's just a great way to meet people. It's Everyone's in the same boat as you. It's not really like, oh, he's really really high up in property now, so it's kind of not in your boat. Everyone's in the same boat.